This is the finish line for the students. After they complete their run, they will continue walking forward. So instead of going back down to the gathering area this way, they will continue forward and turn right instead. So this is where you will probably see some tired runners, so continue to encourage them to walk forward. And this area over here on the right will also be our water distribution area. So we will have some teachers and staff supporting with this area. They will walk down straight towards this sheltered building. There will also be our Red Cross cadets on standby to offer assistance. The students will continue walking down straight. They will also walk past our ambulance area, so our ambulance will be parked here in case of emergencies. So the students will continue walking down straight. They should have received a bottle of water by now for hydration. If they need to go to an urgent toilet break, that's the toilet building. If not, we will continue ushering them this way, and they will turn right into the white building, which is where our students are all gathering as well at the start of the day. Okay, so here we are at the back area of Passion Wave, and our students will rejoin all their buddies back here. Thank you, everyone.